Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NutriLegit. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I have come up with a healthy momos or dumpling recipe which you can try at home and then enjoy with your family. Basically, momos are a type of dumpling which is very much popular in the Southeast Asia. Originally it comes from the Tibetan people, but momos has been associated national cuisine of Nepal, Bhutan, India and many other countries. There are a lot of varieties of momo which differs from one country to another and from one person to another. Original momo recipes consist of vegetables or meat added with soy sauce, salt, pepper, a little oil, and then this filling is wrapped in a refined wheat flour dough which is rolled out thinly. It is then served hot with a dip or some kind of soups. Momos are so widely accepted that you can eat it in breakfast or lunch or even in the dinner also. Anyway, today we'll be making a healthy version of these momos which is made of millet flour and the filling is of vegetables. So first let's see the ingredients. For making the dough, we have millet flour, 1 bowl and water. For the fillings, I have taken cabbage, shredded, chopped onions, ginger garlic, then chilies, oil, salt and curry powder. Here for the fillings, I have taken cabbage, but as you like and you desire and whatever is available in your place, you can use other vegetables also, like squash you can use, or carrots, capsicum. You can use all this and make the fillings for the dough. Now let's prepare the dough first and then we'll make the filling. For the dough, we'll take 1 bowl of millet flour and then with the help of water we'll make a soft dough. Now the dough is ready. So while mixing the dough, you please add small amount of water at a time so that it doesn't become messy, and you should make dough of consistency like this, which is soft. Now for the fillings, we'll take the shredded cabbage, which is 1 bowl, and then half the bowl of onion. We'll also add grated ginger and garlic, chopped chilies, salt and curry powder, and finally a teaspoon of oil. Now we'll mix this. Now I have mixed the filling and the filling is ready. Now we'll roll the millet dough and make it into small circles and then we'll make the momos. All the momos and it looks like this. Meanwhile, I have also kept the water for boiling and it's now steaming hot. So we'll steam this momo for 8 to 10 minutes. The water is hot. To accompany our millet momos, we'll be making the tomato chutney. The ingredients for the tomato chutney are tomatoes, ginger, garlic, peanut. I also have the turmeric and a little salt. I have heated a pan and then we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. The oil seemed to be heated. Now we'll add the pieces of ginger and garlic. We'll let them crackle. Now we'll be adding the peanuts and we'll slightly roast this also. The peanuts seem to get roasted. So finally we'll be adding the chopped tomatoes. Let's give it a mix. Now the turmeric and salt. We'll cook this for 2 to 3 minutes until the tomatoes get soft, and then we'll mix it in a grinder to make a paste form, that is tomato chutney. Our steaming hot millet momo is ready. It looks great and I know it will taste also great. Now this millet momos can be served with tomato chutney we prepared, and it should be served steaming hot so that it tastes great. I hope you like this recipe, and for the measurements you can check the description box below. Please do try making it at home and please let me know how it comes out. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any further updates from this channel. Until then, keep smiling and stay healthy.